in these questions, you can see A and B are two non-zero vectors such that this condition is given, and then A dot B is given, as well as A cross B mod magnitude of A cross B the whole square is given. We need to find magnitude of A the whole square. So we have dot product over here, we have cross product over here. So we need to relate between dot and cross product. So what is formula which relates between dot and cross product? That's Lagrange's identity. What is Lagrange's identity? Lagrange's identity, it says A cross B mod magnitude of this whole square is given by magnitude of A whole square into magnitude of B whole square minus A dot B the whole square. So this gives relation between cross product and dot product. So this implies, what is A cross B the whole square? Okay, A cross B whole square is given as a 10. So 10 equals to mod magnitude of A whole square magnitude of B whole square minus, what is A dot B? A dot B is what? 4. 4 4s are 16. So this implies magnitude of A whole square magnitude of B whole square is equals to, if I bring this side, it become a 26. So we know that A B mod magnitude of A B the whole square is what? We know this formula. We know A magnitude of A whole square plus magnitude of B whole square plus twice A dot B. Okay. We know this formula. Okay. Sorry, this is what? A plus B. Okay. A plus B. A plus B the whole square is given by this. So this is same as mod of A whole square plus twice mod of B whole square is equals to this, we don't know. Okay, these two we don't know. Okay, so here magnitude of A whole square plus magnitude of B whole square plus twice A dot B is what? 4. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. I can write 8 over here. So this term and this term gets cancelled. So what I'll have, if I bring this side magnitude of B, so I'll have magnitude of B is equals to, I'll have 8 over here. Okay, so if I'm bringing this side, this is what? This square. Okay, so magnitude of B the whole square is, I'm having 8. So now if you substitute over here, you will get magnitude of A whole square. Okay, so therefore magnitude of A whole square equals to 26 by 8. Okay, so if I cancel, 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 13 by 4 is the required answer for this, for magnitude of A the whole square.